mood that I just saw social media president, President Edwin Idahosa, doing a great job to systemize Richard Osadere marriage. I was impromptu to come and put my 2 cents feelings on how I see what his social media president do. Eddie Murphy has always been good in doing this kind of thing. No one is perfect. Every one of us have our own lapses in life, but Eddie Murphy has always been one that is not really good, feeling good when he sees marriage is trying to go down the drain, if I may use that word. So they say my very big, wonderful happiness, congratulations to Richard Osadeye and Mama Nora for the reconciliation. I'm happy about it because I'm not one of those that will see something going bad and be happy for it. I'm not in that school of thought. Never will I be. I was oriented to see things being done the right way. When things are going wrong, you should try and make amends. Don't be quick to celebrate on people's error, on people's marriages going down the drain. Our people are so quick. Irrespective of our different opinion, marriage is a sacred institution for crying out loud. But I see people in the class of Abat Obase quickly coming out to celebrate people's marriage going down. Not even Richard's marriage that he has been happy about. John Osage's marriage is one thing this man called Abat Obase has always been happy. Seeing marriage is going down. For where me have for cup, they say, when you never come up for bush, you know they come out dirty for head. You are in marriage. They see people when they go down, you they laugh, you they happy. Hey, you never know what will happen to your marriage, Abat Obase. Let me quickly talk to you. You are too quick. Seriously too quick to celebrate people. Marriages being not working. You are too quick. You think say your own are perfect. What makes you so perfect that you feel you can't come out every time casting aspersion on people's marriages? You see any marriage that's just having some tribulations, you'll be out to celebrate. Yours is perfect. Mama Owen is the best woman in town. You are the most perfect man in town, Abat Obase. Abat Obase, deviate from this your evil way. Deviate from this your evil way. There was a time I made a post to even say, do you have a crush for Winnie? I did it. I asked you, do you have a special crush for Winnie? I even call Mama once, make it ask you. Mama, make it ask you, what will be your beef with John Osage marriage wey fail? You're on the good now, you think say so it go last forever. You feel it's gonna last for eternity. Abat Obase. Quick to celebrate everybody being failed in marriage. You are out there. They talk babash. Richard, congratulations. No marriage is perfect. Seriously, nobody will tell me any marriage is perfect. Marriage, like it was rightly said in our old age adage, now dear, now correct for the start. Now dear, husband and wife, now be the most institution we correct for the hot pass. Because they are two different people from different backgrounds. If they love themselves, they must try to curtail themselves. The man might be aggressive to make sure say, the woman understands, say, he want to make this family work. Well, some people might call it toxic. Oh, the man is toxic. But a very strong man must make sure, say, he put his feet on the grass, say, my marriage must work. And it must work with the rules and regulations of our culture, not this Western world culture where some people just say they don't come Western world. We cannot talk to our wife anymore. I'm included. I not separate myself out of it. I'm inclusive as well. Our women should be submissive 100%, irrespective of these Western laws, Western so-called laws are getting them so much power, and they are being infatuated with such power. They feel they can do and undo. But it's not in our culture. Never in our culture. A solid man must put his foot on the ground and make sure his home is being run according to his whim and caprices. That's what it is. Nobody will tell me otherwise. That is it. So my people, not too much talk. I just make a quickly tell the Murphy, say, you did well. You did perfectly well. You did perfectly well. I give you kudos. Kudos to you. Those that were celebrating the marriage is going to fail, we are on a dinner. They've reconciled. They've reconciled. So one of the quickly they chook mat of people marriage. Husband and wife, not be matter way outside that they put mat into anyhow. You must calculate, be careful, watch the outcome of events. How event become food last. Not be when the thing they hot, everybody will just come, they talk, put. You must see me say I want video. I've been watching to see the outcome. I was waiting for Eddie Murphy. I knew Eddie Murphy as the godfather of Richard Osadeye, popularly known as Enogie, one of Jenny. I was waiting for Eddie Murphy to say, Eddie Murphy, this now the time for me to really see what you can do. And he has proven me right. He never proved me wrong. He did the needful. So on behalf of all women Edos, they stand for fairness, they stand for justice, they stand for equity. Let's give Eddie Murphy a big shout out. He did one special thing again. A great one for that matter. I don't have words enough to express how I feel about it because this one is going to be short. Seriously dedicated to Eddie Murphy for his good job. Share this video. Eddie Murphy, he did it again. Eddie Murphy is a good guy. He's a good guy. Some people were just happy, taking it as content. Make they say, make they see series, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Who be that one? Frank Victor, where they do series. They do series of video all these days. They think say na you not good. We will hear your own Frank Victor for this social media, this those cyberspace. Except you go hide down. Except you go hide down because you know say if you come again. Except you go hide down. But seriously, I want to advise people, candidly, don't bring your dirty linen to social media. Nobody get help for nobody here. Everybody when they depressed, when you say cash cruise, nobody get help for you. If you buy for your marriage, just go somewhere with your people, family. You bringing it here, depressed people, fake accounts, they are not of no good. They are not good. They're not going to feel married self. Many not even get the quality to get wife. They know if you get wife, you will get it. They jealous you. They are hunting tooth and nail to see how they go destroy your own. They are just like a roaring lion, like Satan, seeking for who to devour. They want to devour, destroy people that are good. When they say they get one iota of goodness in them, because they not feel make harm, they don't ever feel make harm. They always find people that go usually they shine. They say they get topic to talk. Say they get topic to talk about. This is not my submission on this whole issue because I've come to know. I think I'll cut this call first. I'll come back to this person later. I've come to know our people, a lot of our people, that they're not good for left, they're not good for right. They are happy to see things bad they happen to people. The one we never know how to where to go find wife to marry, feed woman for one month. You can't become the best advisor about marriages. This is our people for you. What they don't know, they bring their dirty mouth to speak about it. They will advise what they never go into. I feel Richard Plight. I know what I've been there. I'm still there. I know what marriage is. Marriage is not for child. It's not for children. Marriage is not for men. Not be for kids. Not be for idiots. All this idari, what they for Facebook, what they advice for marriages. Go for marry first before you advise people for marriage. If you never marry, put woman for house or for 6 months consistently living with a woman. Don't ever tell me fit to come speak about marriage. Marriage is so delicate, dicey, so complex. Not one way thinking. You're not a thinker. Nobody not a thinker. Marriage now both way. Both partners need to be a little bit. This video won't spoil now. So on this note, may I end this video? We need compromise. We need patience in marriage. In a nutshell, what am I saying is that Eddie Murphy did well. They all try to spoil this video. All the same, make an end there. This one is just small one. Very soon, I will be out for Senator. Oh my God. Very soon, I'll be out for Senator Monday. I wish you a happy Sunday. I'll be out later.